Today's word is with. W-I-T-H. With. Can you say it? With. Fantastic. With means together or having something. Listen. I play with my friends. Come with me. She came with her dog. Say it with me. With.